Hey everybody, Chip Wade here and welcome to Tuesday Tips. We've got an exciting one for you today. I'm taking you through the entire EXPANDIT line. Now RYOBI is awesome about making sure that you have all the tools that you need to get the job done, even if you don't think you have enough room to store it. I'll show you what I mean. The EXPANDIT line is made up of attachments and power heads. You can actually see this portion from here to the top is the power head that holds the battery, an 18 volt or 40 volt. There's even a gas powered option that fits all of these accessories as well, which is super convenient. Let me take you through some of these guys. I'm sure you're gonna be able to figure out an awesome project for each one. First up, we have got the edger. This tool is perfect for that meticulous landscaper that just really appreciates that crisp, manicured edge on the edge of hardscape, like your driveways or your pavers. It digs down a little bit deeper and more aggressively than a string trimmer, cutting those grass roots and keeping those runners from extending through all those cracks. Again, a huge appreciation. Next up, we have the power sweeper. This thing is really great. These 9-inch heavy-duty nylon bristles will get down into all those crevices where in the fall and the spring, all that accumulation of debris that just is too hard to get with a blower or a traditional broom, the power sweeper is gonna get the job done for you. Now, speaking of blowers, the EXPANDIT line has one. This is the jet fan blower. It actually fits on these power heads with 140 miles per hour of blowing force. This guy is plenty strong enough to clear your decks, your driveway, and even your sidewalks. Really amazing. All right, let's talk hedge trimmers. First, the 15-inch articulating head. What this means is that the blade actually will rotate relative to the shaft. This allows you to get those high shrubs and have a nice crisp flat edge higher than eye line and be able to do it very comfortably. We also have the 17-inch hedge trimmer. This is a fixed line which allows you to do things a little bit more at chest and waist height for most of those shrubs that you're gonna encounter in your landscape. Next up, the brush cutter attachment. This is one of my personal favorites because it does pretty much what no other tool will do. It powers through heavy weeds and heavy brush because of that nice metal blade. It won't flex and it gets the job done quick. Now, for trimming items that are overhanging, you no longer need to get on a ladder. Check out the 10-inch pruner. It has a chainsaw blade, again, fits with the same power head. It has the oiling can, has everything you need to do it safely and quickly. All right, we've got the snow thrower for those northern climates where you get a lot of snow. This will power through up to 6 inches of snow. Again, I want to reiterate, all of these attachments work on the same power head, so you don't have to have duplicate tools to get the job done. All right, the very last tool is the straight shaft trimmer. This is a personal favorite of mine and a lot of pros out there. It allows you that perfect clean line of sight to make those beautiful, beautiful trimmed lines, whether you're powering through brush or just trimming the sidewalk. Isn't it exciting to be able to do all of these things with just a single power head? Save time, save money, and save space with EXPANDIT from RYOBI. Thanks so much for watching this week's episode of Tuesday Tips. Now, if you like the video, make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more Tuesday tips, new product announcements, DIY projects, and more. And make sure to leave a comment down below to let us know what you'd like to see next. We'll see you next episode.